What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica, and in today's video we're going to be getting into this bag here. This is an Ipsy bag. I'm pretty positive it's just my Ipsy add-ons from August. Yeah, this is August. But we're just going to get on into it, and hopefully it's not just one of the Ipsy glam bags and then it ruins my triple tipsy Ipsy. If you guys haven't checked it out, I'll link it in the eye and down below. But let's get on into this. And I can't tell you, I mean, inside here we have, it looks like a bag and it just says Ipsy on it. We'll check you out in a minute because there's something else still in here. You guys, I don't think this is my add-ons because this is the Bailey Sarian palette. This is the Ipsy Plus bag. They really did get rid of the box. I mean, I thought they were just kidding on their website when they showed that we had a bag. What the hell? I am so excited. This is the Venice Fling by Bailey Sarian by Estate. Let's not put you there. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's give you guys some swatches. We'll go straight. Oops. Whoa. What were you? Rose tattoo. You are a very pretty orange. I'm so sad. I would have totally did a try-on. We could take the makeup off. Actually, then we'll go. Oh. Oh. Okay, now I'm really excited for this last row, and you're gonna get your own puppy love. I'm so proud of Bailey. I'm so happy that she's now got a makeup collab. I'm actually wearing her shirt again. I don't know how many times I wore this shirt in a video. Oh, I like that purple. Oh. Dad! It's not gonna pick it up on camera, but that's got like it's got like little flecks of like actual silver in it. I don't know, but it's pretty. Now I know she created this to kind of remind of like a sunset, because every year they go to, I think, what is it, Venice, California or something, Venice Beach, and her fiance writes her name on the wall and I almost said chalk. It's not chalk. He writes her name on the wall in spray paint every year, and I think that's so cute and romantic. Oh, I wish I had that. Okay, so let's get into the rest of the Ipsy Plus. So I can tell you a little bit about the Ipsy Plus. It is a monthly subscription, and it's $25 a month. They are now doing this thing that you get to choose 3 of your items. So that's kind of cool. So, I mean, you get, I think you still get 5 full-size items for $25 a month, and you get the choice of 3. So, and I chose the Bailey Sarian palette because, yep. Oh, I have these. This came in actually, I think, my last Ipsy. I don't know where they are right now, but they are pretty, I'm not even going to open them because I'm just going to pass them along. But they're Beauty for Real. They're shadow sticks, and there's the shade Ever Starstruck, and then something, and Midnight Marathon. So, and they, you guys, I don't know if they're claimed to be waterproof, but they did not really budge. So we're going to pass them along. Oh, we have our card. Build your perfect bag. Now, thanks to ultra personalization, you can build your perfect bag on the 1st of every month. So, yeah, okay, so 9/1, you get to pick your 3. And then you get to add up to 8 additional. And you're not gonna, again, we don't have a actual informational card, but I think this was like $30. Those little marker pens are like 45 marker pens. This is, so next we have something from 111 Skin. This is the Cairo ATP Sports Booster. What? What do you do? Shake well. Oh. Well, I know you're pretty expansive because you're 111 Skin. You're gonna join your little felly in your unopened skincare drawer. Okay, that's where you're gonna join. So, but I don't even know, what do you do? You're just an ATP booster? Booster ATP Sports? What does that mean? Let me know in the comments if you do, because alright, so next we have from Wonder Beauty. This is the Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. I never tried Wonder Beauty foundation. I'm not too big on their brand. I don't, oops. I know they're meant to be like the travel friendly and all that other, yeah, ew. Oh, I like that. It's still in your squeezy bottle, but you still got your little doe foot applicator. You may be a little bit late right now, just because it, so it may be a little bit late because we're in the summertime still. Yeah. I wonder if it oxidizes. It seemed to blend into my hand skin, but it's not the same as your face skin. And then lastly we have from Laura Geller. It's the Longwear Eyeliner in Glided Bronze Kohl. So, oh, I was thinking you were a liquid eyeliner. No, but it's like a pencil. Are we gonna focus on the pencil or just my hand? Just my hand, that's alright. Ooh. And it's not gonna pick it up on camera, but it definitely has got some little like shimmers to it. That's exciting, and it's not black, you guys. So, we'll put you on pause really quick. I'm gonna get prices. So I pulled up online the prices for the items that were in this Ipsy Plus box because our little card just tells us that it's Ipsy Future You. Alright, so first here we have the Laura Geller Longwear Eyeliner in Gilded Bronze. This guy is $22. Next we have our Wonder Beauty Liquid Foundation Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in medium, and this guy is $40. Next our Bailey Sarian palette. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun playing with you. This guy is $30, so I was right. I remember. And then our two little eyeshadow sticks. It is, for the both of them, $38. And then lastly, our 111 Cairo or 111 Cairo APT Sports Booster. It is $135. I'm happy with you. You paid for the bag itself. But you were just like a little golden extra treat. So anyways, altogether, that gives us a retail value of $265. So definitely well worth the $25 of the actual price of the box, unless you're not going to get use out of the items. And then you got to pick 3, so hopefully you're going to get use out of 3 of them. That's going to wrap it up for this Ipsy Plus unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. What was your favorite item in this box? Do you want to get this? Did you get it? Did you not want to get it? Let me know down below. I already said you guys hope enjoyed. Anyways, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye! Anyways, that's going to be it for this video, this unboxing of this vet. If you guys haven't checked that out, I'll link that in the eye and down in the... It's not a giant. Oh, I do have too many clothes. You were very dead right. Well then, sir.